Hello viewers, you are watching my channel Maths Exposure. Today we are going to solve a problem which says the dimensions of a rectangular plot of a land are 28.3 meter by 53.7 meter. Find number 1 the perimeter of the land correct to the nearest 10 meter, and number 2 the area of grass needed to fill up the entire plot of land correct to the 100 meter square. Now we will solve the first part of this problem. In first part, we have to find the perimeter of the land. As we know, perimeter is the length of all the sides of a rectangle. I am going to draw the diagram of a rectangle. The dimensions are 28.3 meter by 53.7 meter. We know that in rectangle the opposite sides are equal, so the formula of perimeter will be, if it is the length of the rectangle, we will multiply length by 2 plus we will multiply the width as well by 2 and put the values of length and width in this formula. 2 multiplied by length is 53.7 plus 2 multiplied by 28.3. We will multiply 53.7 by 2, we will get 53.7 is multiplied by 2, so it will become 107.4. Now we will multiply 28.3 by 2, 28.3 multiplied by 2, it will become 56.6. So we will write 56.6, and the sum of 107.4 and 56.6 is 107.4. This is the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 164.0 meters, and we have to correct it to the nearest 10 meter. Now we will correct the perimeter of the rectangle to the nearest 10 meter. We will underline the digit on the tens place and encircle the digit on its side and check whether it is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. The digit next to its right is less than 5, so the digit on the tens place will remain the same, and the digit after it will be replaced by 0, and the digits on the decimal place will be omitted. So the perimeter of rectangular plot is equal to 160 meter corrected to the nearest 10 meter. Now we will move to the second part of this problem, which says the area of grass needed to fill up the entire plot of land corrected to nearest 100 meter square. In this part we have to find out the area of the rectangle plot. The formula for area of a rectangle, suppose this side is length and this side is breadth. Area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. If length is equal to 53.7 meter and breadth as given in the question 28.3 meter, we will put these value in this formula. Length is equal to 53.7 multiplied by breadth, which is 28.3. we will multiply these two values 53.7 and 28.3. So the value of area of this rectangle is 1519.71, and we need to correct it to the 100 meter square. The 100 place is, we will underline the digit on 100 place, ones, 10, hundreds. We will underline 5 and encircle the digit next to its right and check whether it is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. The digit on its side is smaller than 5, so the underlined digit will remain the same, and the digits after the underlined digit will be replaced by 0 and the decimal part will be omitted. So the area will become 1500 meter square, and it will be written as 1519.71 is equal to 1500 meter square corrected to nearest 100 meter square. Hope you will find the solution of this problem much easier. If you think so, please like my video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon because it will notify you whenever I upload the new video. Thank you very much.